Hey there guys, Ryan from Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. Wanted to showcase a brand new 2025 floor plan for the Grand Design Imagine. This is the 2300 MK. This coach is technically half-ton towable, and just under 27 feet, you guys are gonna be able to get into any campground and tow it with ease. Check this out. You've got a massive pass-through storage gonna go all the way to the other side of the coach there. Notice you got a beautiful LED strip on the whole awning, and notice the awning almost goes the entire length of the coach. You don't see that on too many travel trailers, only the higher end stuff. You got an upgraded MORRIDE suspension system. If you guys are taking longer trips going across the country, it's gonna give you a lot safer, more smooth tow. Also, you have ABS brakes on every single one of these. Yes, it's manufactured like a high-end vehicle. So even if you've got your brake controller, you still have an added measure of safety there with the ABS brakes. Little pull out, excess storage there for your trash can. And you've also got a little paper towel holder on the inside there. Before we take a step inside, you've got a spray port right here. Now, yeah, you see it on quite a few coaches, but it's a beautiful feature when you've got to hose your kids' feet off or the dog's feet off so they're not tracking dirt all through the interior of the coach. So one of the awesome features of a full profile Imagine versus the XLS is you're gonna have this vaulted ceiling. For my tall guys, it's gonna give you about an extra 3 inches of ceiling height. So when you're walking through the coach, you're not gonna be ducking or, knocking your head on anything. You've got an awesome entertainment area here. So this is the perfect couples coach, right? You've got 2 luxury recliners here, charging ports for your cell phones, USB plugs there, and you're right in front of your TV here. And you've got plenty of floor space here. If you guys have any dogs or any other pets, you can have plenty of room here to set up a dog bed, give them a little bit of room to run around so they're not all cramped when you guys are having some inclement weather outside and you're hanging out inside. Another question I get all the time is, where am I supposed to eat? Well, Grand Design took care of you guys. You've got 2 awesome bar stools here to where you can even play some cards on the opposite side of the island. But check this out. This is my favorite feature of the coach. Something new they've done for 2025. So that outside trash can I mentioned to you earlier, you can sweep all of your countertop stuff right in there, and you don't have to smell it from inside of the coach. It's all gonna be outside. Don't worry about it. So stepping into the kitchen here, you've got a little bit of extra prep space with this countertop piece there. So if you got extra pots, pans, whatever, it's there for you. You've got a soap dispenser. Pretty cool little feature right there in the sink. And you've also got some places for sponges and any other knickknacks you've got right there. You've got a 15,000 BTU AC, and it is completely ducted. So if you want to, you can leave the skylight open and get you a little bit of breeze in the bedroom area, or you can have everything shut and have air running through the entire side of the coach. It's gonna give you a little bit more of an even air distribution versus, just having a direct dump in this room only. You've got a full-size residential queen bed in the master. You've got USB plugs on both sides and 110 outlets. For those of you guys who use CPAP machines, you're not gonna keel over in the middle of the night. They worry about you. Awesome overhead storage here on both sides. And they are soft close cabinetry. A lot of stuff you find in a lot of higher end, bigger units as well. Nice wardrobes with hanging space on both sides. And if you guys do want to hook up a TV, of course, you're gonna have satellite prep and a 110 outlet there as well. And so you would technically classify this as a rear bathroom unit. Look at all of the room you've got back here. And for my tall guys, you'll have plenty of room to stand up in the shower. I'm about 5'10", so for any of my 6-footers, yeah, your head's gonna be in the skylight. You knew that coming into the RV industry anyways. You can hose yourself off quite easy. Get full 360 degrees of water coverage in this massive shower. And it is a 1-piece shower, so easily replaceable, fixable, sealable if you need to. And you've got plenty of cabinet space. Once again, brand new 2025 floor plan for Grand Design, their 2300 MK. If you guys would like to take a look or have any other questions, come out to Colton and ask for Ryan.